Hello, my name is Samantha Smallwood-Pounds, and I'd like to speak to you today about the power of the imagination and how instrumental it is in helping anyone who is on a path of transformation and expansion. I grew up in Africa, and I often think back to my childhood when I spent hours lying in the grass, happily lost in my imagination, innocently daydreaming about what my life would become. I remember those moments as times of real freedom where everything was possible. And then I grew up. And in bumping into the reality of becoming an adult, I forgot this part of myself. Life became extremely closed and complicated, and I never really understood how vital, how powerful, and how necessary my imagination is as a deeply conscious and creative part of myself. In my first workshop with Catherine Shainberg, the founder of the School of Images, I re-entered the world of my imagination. What a revelation it was to access my dreaming self again, not as an innocent child, yet to bump into the world and wonder what life was all about, but as an adult with questions that needed answering and challenges that needed solutions. What amazed me was how easily truth was revealed, and it began a communication with my inner world that flooded me with its insight, its wisdom, and its guidance. This dreaming work is very simple and shows us that we can access the tools that we need to find our answers and transform. And it's fun, seeing what rises and shows itself through the exercises. What I have found really exciting is becoming a conscious player in my own awakening. Verification of this always comes when I see my outer world transforming and reflecting the truth of my new inner alignment. Time and time again, I have seen this in my own life and in the life of my loved ones and clients. Accessing higher consciousness in this way always creates an inner light that is tangible and felt. And by bringing this out into the world, I feel I make that light, hope, and positive movement possible in the world. For me, this work is the antidote to what we are facing through the challenges and stresses of our times. It brings inner clarity and stamina. It helps us to overcome challenges and gain a more stable footing in life. In this way, we liberate our highest potentials and live our best lives, thriving through our challenges to become part of the solution to balancing and healing our communities and our world. If this resonates with you and you're interested, there are many ways to connect with the work. On the school's website, you will find much more information about how you can access the teachings through the books, downloadable classes, online classes, workshops, and private sessions with certified practitioners all over the world to find the support and the help that you need.